Understanding automated milking, a technological revolution in dairy farming. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in the world of agriculture and technology: automated milking. This process is revolutionizing dairy farming, making it more efficient and farmer-friendly. If you're curious about how technology is changing traditional farming, stay with us as we explore automated milking systems. Automated milking, also known as robotic milking, refers to the use of specialized machinery to milk dairy cows. Unlike traditional methods where farmers manually milk cows, these high-tech systems do the job automatically. Cows are milked without direct human labor, using advanced robots and computer systems. This technology ensures efficient, hygienic, and stress-free milking. An automated milking system, AMS, mainly consists of the milking robot. This is the heart of the system. It locates the cow's teats, attaches the milking cups, and milks the cow. The computer system, it monitors the process, records data like milk quantity and cow health, and manages the overall operation. The cow recognition system, it identifies each cow, often using a tag or chip, ensuring personalized care and monitoring. The cleaning system, it ensures that all parts in contact with milk are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized after each milking. Automated milking systems offer numerous benefits, including increased milk production. Cows can be milked more frequently, leading to higher milk yield. Improved cow health. Systems monitor cow health, leading to early detection and treatment of issues. Labor efficiency. It reduces the physical strain on farmers and allows them to focus on other important tasks. Data collection. Farmers get valuable insights into each cow's health, milk quality, and production efficiency. While AMS offers great benefits, there are considerations. Initial investment. The cost of setting up an AMS can be high. Technical know-how. Farmers need to understand and manage the technology effectively. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the smooth running of the system. That's a wrap on automated milking. This technology is a game-changer in dairy farming, offering a blend of efficiency, animal welfare, and data-driven management. We hope this video shed light on how modern technology is reshaping traditional farming practices. If you found this informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.